Welcome on board to the Meta Instinct channel. We all know HP is important, but do you know the HP sequence that plays a crucial role in your fleet? Setting them right will significantly enhance your fleet. We will cover the HP sequence and share some exciting news about Packsify in this video. Targeting. Before delving into the HP sequence, it's important to understand the targeting options and their advantages and disadvantages in Sea of Conquest. There are single targeting and multi-targeting heroes. Single targeting heroes, like Luna, Bones, Lord Kojo, Onimusha, and Mali focus their attacks on a single ship, dealing very serious damage. For example, Bones can deal up to 433% damage and an additional 217% of attack if the target's HP is below 50%. On the other hand, multi-targeting heroes can attack more than one ship. For example, Griffin can deal up to 312% of attacks on 5 ships. As the number of targets increases, the damage per target decreases. Although the damage to a single target is lower, the total damage dealt by multi-targeting heroes can be very high. So, which type is better? Multi-targeting heroes are more effective when the opponent has more ships at the start of the battle. They deal significantly higher damage initially. However, as the opponent's ships are sunk, the number of targets decreases, decreasing the total damage dealt. Single targeting heroes, especially cutthroat heroes, become more important as the opponent has fewer ships. Comparing their total damage, Griffin will deal less damage as the battle progresses, while Bones' damage will increase. Last month, we were fortunate to acquire 3 Bones using 80 Himconks, ascending him to rank 5. Himconks can be free from events or purchased from the Conk bundle. The good news is that thanks to Packsify, sponsor of this video, we can always get up to a 28% discount on any bundle. Packsify has a Discord community with over 10,000 members that saved players over $4.1 million over the last 3 years. Now, they're launching an app that makes getting discounts effortless. Join the waiting list to enjoy exclusive bonuses, including early bird discounts ranging from 10 to 35% and an additional 15% discount for the first 2 weeks. Test the app with 500 free credits, with no credit card required. Grant early access to the app 7 days before the public release. Discord giveaways boost, double the chances of winning big giveaways in May and June via the Packsify Discord server. Over 2,000 players joined already. Secure your spot before it's too late, and enjoy effortless discounts and bonuses from day one. Low HP targeting. Luna and Lord Kojo have the skill to target the low HP ship, which can quickly eliminate a battleship. When you sink one of the opponent's battleships, you will have the advantage in numbers, for example, 4 versus 3. A fleet with 4 ships can easily defeat 3 ships. When defending against Luna and Lord Kojo, it is important to prevent them from sinking our cutthroat ship early in the battle. We want our cutthroat ship to survive until the end of the battle to deal more damage. Therefore, the HP sequence is crucial. HP sequence. Flagship should always have the highest HP to avoid losing the battle if it gets eliminated. The second highest HP ship should be the cutthroat ship with Luna on board. Next, determine the remaining ship's sequence based on your current setup. Do not follow our sequence because you could have heroes and qualities different from ours. We have 2 battleships left, the blazing and strategic ships. Based on battle reports, our strategic ship deals more damage than the blazing ship. Therefore, the strategic ship will be the 3rd highest HP ship in our fleet. The blazing ship will have the lowest HP and can be considered the bait ship because losing it will have the least impact on our fleet. If your blazing ship performs better, select another ship as the bait. How to set up? If you are in S2, you can manipulate the trinket level to increase the constitution bonus to the hero. With a higher constitution, the battleship's HP will be greater. The heroes on the cutthroat ship should have the highest level trinkets. For example, Luna has a level 72 trinket, while Griffin has a level 53 trinket. The second method involves changing the hero. Legendary heroes have the best attributes, followed by epic heroes. If you have an epic hero like Lord Kojo on the cutthroat ship and fully legendary heroes on other ships, your cutthroat ship will become vulnerable. This is a weakness that many players have, giving us a chance to defeat them. We can replace Lord Kojo or Bones with a legendary supporting hero, such as Cordelia, to address this issue. Supporting heroes have a higher constitution and can significantly enhance the ship's HP. However, this will reduce the damage output of your cutthroat ship. In S3, we can utilize Onimusha to replace Lord Kojo and avoid this vulnerability. The third method involves manipulating the sail. The first attribute of the sail could be an HP bonus, armor, or sailing speed. Equipping an HP bonus sail on the cutthroat ship and an armor sail on the rest can be effective. We can't cover every customization possibility, only the setup idea. So be creative when making your secret recipe. To recap, make sure your cutthroat ship's HP is the second highest in your fleet, preventing the low HP aim from Luna and Lord Kojo. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. Please subscribe and stay tuned. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.